All right, food lovers, it's time to revolutionize your taco night. Today, I'm bringing you some incredible twists on the classic taco that'll have your taste buds doing a happy dance. First up, let's dive into our grilled fish tacos with mango salsa. Imagine this, tender, flaky fish with a hint of smokiness, topped with a refreshing, zesty mango salsa. To make these, start by marinating your fish. I love using tilapia or mahi-mahi in a blend of lime juice, garlic, cumin, and a bit of chili powder for that extra kick. Grill the fish until it's beautifully charred and cooked through. Now for the mango salsa. Dice up some ripe mangoes, red onion, jalapeno, and cilantro. Squeeze in some lime juice, add a pinch of salt, and mix it all together. Pile that delicious salsa onto your grilled fish and wrap it up in a warm tortilla. Boom! Your taste buds are on a tropical vacation. Next, we've got pulled pork tacos with spicy coleslaw. This one's a game changer, trust me. Start by slow cooking a pork shoulder until it's melt in your mouth tender. I like to rub mine with a mix of smoked paprika, brown sugar, garlic powder, and a touch of cayenne for a perfect balance of sweet and spicy. While that's cooking, let's make our spicy coleslaw. Shred some cabbage and carrots, then toss them with a dressing made from mayo, apple cider vinegar, Dijon mustard, and a dash of hot sauce. Once your pork is done, shred it up and layer it generously in a tortilla. Top it off with that crunchy, spicy coleslaw, and get ready for a flavor explosion. Now, the great thing about these tacos is how customizable they are. Want to add some avocado slices or a sprinkle of queso fresco? Go for it. Feeling adventurous? Try adding some pickled jalapenos or a drizzle of chipotle sauce. The possibilities are endless, and each variation brings something new to the table. These unique fillings are not just about taste, they're also a feast for the eyes. The vibrant colors of the mango salsa and the spicy coleslaw make your tacos look as amazing as they taste. So, the next time you're planning taco night, ditch the norm and try these exciting flavor-packed fillings. Trust me, your family and friends will thank you. Remember, great food is all about creativity and love. So roll up your sleeves and get cooking. That's it for today's taco transformation. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed these recipes. Subscribe for more delicious twists on your favorite dishes. Happy cooking.